able to respond quickly as we wait even for those. Other things that is actually very fast.
These are not specific symptoms. So the last phase is when
the very high risk counties include Nairobi, Mombasa, Uasin Gishu, Busia, Kisumu, Bungoma, Trans Nzoia, Siaya, West Pokot, Turkana, Homa Bay, and Migori. The high risk equally are Vihiga, Kakamega, Nakuru, Kericho, Nandi, Kiambu, Machakos, Kilifi, Makueni, Taita Taveta, Isiolo, Elgeyo Marakwet, and Garissa. A person who is a handler of dead animals, a healthcare worker, a commercial sex worker, a hunter possibly, animal handlers, forest rangers, it is important to check if you have fevers and you have come across those people. Any suspected case epidemiologically linked to a confirmed Ebola virus disease, again, it is important if you have come across a person who is confirmed, you need to be checked in a health facility.